要投哪一个？
整个屏幕。
这个。
对，
屏幕。你屏幕会有音频需要放出来吗？
会。
我再设定一下。
现在在直播吗？
对，没关系。这边，这个屏幕，然后这个我要开一下。
OK。
The AI assistant called OpenClaw has recently become popular. Has recently become popular. Has recently become popular. Has recently become popular. Has recently become has been working through the night. By the time you sit down, everything's ready. Want one of your own? Deploy OpenClaw using Lighthouse with 7x24-hour online availability, second-level startup, stable operation, and secure isolation between services and local data. Lighthouse first supports OpenClaw access to popular IM platforms and fully integrated with Line, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Wacom, QQ, and Lark. Get it now on Lighthouse. Just need 4 steps. Step 1. Create a new Lighthouse. The OpenClaw image is pre-built and included. No extra setup needed. Your server will be up and running in 30 seconds. Step 2. Choose model in the visual dashboard. Step 3. Connect your IM application. Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, Line, or Slack. Step 4. Add some skills to power up your bot. Now, let's talk to your OpenClaw. Deployed in under 5 minutes. That's all it takes on Tencent Cloud Lighthouse. Tencent Cloud Lighthouse is a new generation cloud server designed for lightweight use cases, helping SMEs and developers conveniently build websites, web applications, e-commerce platforms, and development testing environments. It adopts a package-based sales model, integrating high bandwidth data transfer plans and popular open-source software, offering an easier and more application-focused one-click building experience compared to traditional cloud server services, achieving simplified cloud adoption. Want one of your own? Get it now on Lighthouse. The AI assistant called OpenClaw has recently become popular. It's not just for chatting. It can also reach out to you and help you get things done. Imagine this. Your AI assistant has been working through the night. By the time you sit down, everything's ready. Want one of your own? Deploy OpenClaw using Lighthouse with 7x24-hour online availability, second-level startup, stable operation, and secure isolation between services and local data. Lighthouse first supports OpenClaw access to popular IM.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to our screen again. And I'm Monica, the product manager for Lighthouse. Good to see you all again. And joining me today is Maurice, our R&D engineer. Here's Maurice. And today I will start by introducing some of our latest features, like the AI assistants, and show you how to connect OpenClaw to our new IM Line. If you are a Line user, this is a session you won't want to miss. And then Maurice will take over to the showcase skill he built by himself and walk you through the process of creating one yourself. If you have any technical questions or ideas for new skills, this is your chance to chat with him directly. And we'll be giving away vouchers during the session, as always. So, ready to start? If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. And today we are live streaming in Discord and YouTube at the same time, and I will check all the comments you sent. Okay, for if you have watched our latest product trailer, it's about our OpenClaw, and then let's start. Okay, so let's start from purchase and deployment. For those who haven't purchased yet, we can see how to purchase and deploy our OpenClaw on our Lighthouse. Here we can buy directly. Hello. And here we just choose OpenClaw image. And the region, I suggest to choose one closer to your location. And I'll choose Hong Kong here. And for the type, I recommend for 2 vCPUs and 4 GB. That would be faster. And we just buy now. If you guys have a voucher, you can just redeem here. Here, enter your voucher code, and I will send voucher code later, and you can enter your voucher code here. Then submit your order. Okay, here is creating our instance. Let's wait a moment. If you have any question, you can drop it in the chat here. And welcome to our screen. We are showing how to deploy OpenClaw on Lighthouse, and we'll introduce some skills later. Okay, it's done. Let's configure now. Okay. Here we have some new thing here. First thing is this lobster hospital. This is a new feature. If your OpenClaw is lagging or have some connection issues, you can head over to the lobster hospital. It has one-click repair and one-click troubleshooting. And if it still cannot fix problem, you can just submit a ticket or join our discussion in our Discord. Here you see if you have any connection issues, just click here and it will repair for you. And also one-click troubleshooting. Another new feature here is we have launched an AI assistant. You can just log in here. The new AI assistant is the OpenClaw AI here, OpenClaw AI assistant, and it supports connection to major large language models like DeepSeek, GLM, Kimi, and this assistant is tailored specifically for users who are less familiar with CLI but want to create projects using OpenClaw. So we can try this. I want to deploy some skills. and it will answer your questions. It is packaged with comprehensive OpenClaw knowledge and also integrates specialized skills for installation, deployment, and troubleshooting. It provides this kind of step-by-step guidance to help you overcome some technical barriers and help you set up your project and resolve issues with ease. So let's try out this new feature here. And we go back to the instance. So let's back to the installation. Here, we set up model. If you already have model, you can paste your API key here. If you don't want to purchase, you can use the OpenAI. It has $5 credit for free. And here I will just paste my model, the marks. Let me find my key here. Okay, and channels, today we are going to connect to Line. I don't know if you are a Line user. If Line is a very popular IM in Thailand and Japan, and if your friends are from this place, it will be useful for you to connect to them. And connecting Line is not very easy as WhatsApp. Let's see. First, you need to go to the Line developer. This one. Okay, and then let's log into the console. You need to log in your Line here. This is our new feature. We launched the panel integration to Line last week. And here you need to log in your business account and you'll scan with your QR code. You need to scan on your phone of your Line. And let me scan here. Okay, and it has a code. Just type it on your phone like this and confirm here. Okay, then it is confirmed. And here you need to set up the developer name. Let's try OpenClaw and email. Okay, Okay, agree. And here we are going to the Line developer. Here, then we create a new provider. Provider name OpenClaw. Okay, create. And then create the messaging API channel. Create a Line official account. You see, to connect Line with the OpenClaw, you must register for a Line official account because you don't actually need to link it with a real company, but the regular personal account will work. Here we need a phone number, Korea phone number.
United States?
Okay. Singapore, right?
Yes, this is a test phone number.
Singapore.
65.
Singapore, right. Okay, send text message. The verification code. Have you guys used Line before? Okay, then the verification is complete. Here we need to create a Line official account. Your account name and email address. It's my nickname. Okay. You can choose any industry here. You don't need to be a real company and just submit. Okay, then your official account is ready. Okay, then we go to, this is a new page, the official account manager, and we'll go to settings. Here, response settings, click chat, and then messaging API. Here, enable messaging API, and you choose the provider you just created here. Agree. Okay. Okay, then this channel secret, let's copy this, and we paste to our console. The channel secret. Okay, done. Then we also need this access token and your user ID. We go to this page, the developer line, and here at the console home, yes, we found the OpenClaw we just created. Now we have messaging API here. And at this here, messaging API, we scroll to the, issue the access token. Then this is the token, just copy it and paste it to the channel again, access token. Okay, then go back to the basic settings. Here we have your user ID here, copy this. And also paste to the channels. It's almost done here. It is setting up the live webhook. Okay. Hello everyone. Direct connection isn't available for Live because Live has many default connection measures. And we can wait a sec for the live webhook. Okay. We already have connection to Line, Discord, Telegram, Slack, WhatsApp, and it's done. The webhook URL just copy again, and we go to the Line developer, and the messaging API, right? We have a webhook URL and edit it. Then we paste the URL here and click use webhook. We can verify this. Okay, it's a success. So this is done. Okay, and also we paste the webhook URL here and save. And it is done. See, it's not that complicated, right? Complete. Then, if you can see my phone, can you see my phone? Okay. So we have this OpenClaw here, and it's saying nice to meeting you. Then you can talk to it. So the connection is done very successful. And for the connection to WhatsApp, it's more simpler. It's more simple. Let's see WhatsApp. You just need to scan the QR code here. If you want to connect to WhatsApp, click here, authorization access, got it. It's very simple. You just use your WhatsApp in the phone and scan the QR code here. So it will show a QR code here to connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, it's done, the QR code here, and you just use your WhatsApp to scan it, then it will connect to your phone. It's very, very easy. So here is how to deploy and to connect to Line. I think you can't wait Maurice to share his skill, right? So let's welcome Maurice to share his skill, and he will share how to make a skill by ourselves.
You're going to log in your Line account here, or I use the old one with the Telegram?
A Telegram, because
okay.
Line is in my phone.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you can go to your Telegram.
Okay. So I'm going to share with you guys the skill of skill. Okay. So when we're here, it can make you, for example, if you have a task and you want OpenClaw to finish it, and it can
wait
be.
a minute. TV 投屏呢？
操作那边有
投屏没了。
这边你在投 YouTube，
再
那你取消然后再投。对，要选什么？
Okay. So what do skills do? If you want to finish a task and you want OpenClaw to help you with it, and the task can be divided into like A, B, C, D, 4 procedures, or it can be more than 4, maybe 100, maybe 1,000, maybe more. So it can be divided into several steps, several procedures, and you don't have to like help me with A, help me with B, help me with C, D, and E. You just make a skill, and it can be done within the skill, and the skill can just help you to finish a list of procedures. You can see a list of procedures. I will, for example, I will show you a skill that I recently made here, email summarizer. So what does email summarizers do? They summarize your email and get all your contact and profile your contact. Like I'll show you an example of the final result of the skill that gives us here. So as we can see, this is a contact, analyze contact from my own Gmail account. So you can see that we have a list here of the contact that I reach in the email address and their company, maybe their company and their position, and the subject summary. That is what you and this one you talk, or the email they send you, or the email that from you or to you. Here we can see that from, to, or CC. I don't use this Gmail for sending, so we can see here only from. If you send to another people an email, here will be a to, and the contact here will show. So this is the final result. So to do this, the OpenClaw has to firstly connect to your mail, and then get all your contact and get all your emails, and then make this report. So it's 3 procedures. And if we want to do this, where is the? Okay. if you want to do this, you don't have to say like once again, help me get my emails, help me get my contacts, and make a report like this. You don't have to do this one and one again. So you can only say that get me my contact, analyze report. So the OpenClaw will help you with it. That is the skills, an example of skills. You can see here, I use a takeout of the Google. So here's the takeout, and please help me get the contact and analyze report. And the OpenClaw just directly give me the report, and I don't have to like interact with the OpenClaw too many times and once again. So it will be easier for users to use like certain types of actions that maybe you don't have to type in and tap in once again. So here is the example of a skill. So it is not so mysterious. Skills are a list of prompts plus a few scripts or a few sets. So next step, we are going to make our own skill. So it's also easy. We can see the skill market here. There is a skill called Skill Creator. Oh, I forgot. To use this email summarizer skill, you can also use this summarizer skill. So you can here is the official website of the Claw Hub of the OpenClaw, and here you can see all the skills that is published here, like some of the famous skill. Here you can see the statistics, and here you can see email summarizer. So you can see this email summarizer. It is built by me. And if you want to use this skill on your OpenClaw or on your bot, you can see help me download and install skill email summarizer. Wait a moment. Or you can see the record here I made. Yeah, that previously said, help me install the skill email summarizer for yourself. Tell me when you are ready. And then it will automatically do this. As you can see here. Here, after a few seconds or minutes, maybe, done, install the certain skill. It's a bit slow today. Okay, it's already installed. And then, if you are not, if you didn't install this, then you can use this prompt or like this. You can install the email summarizer. That is how to install a certain skill. You can see the name of the skill on the Claw Hub here. It's the official site, and you can download the skills that you're interested in. If you have any questions, you can type in the comments or Discord. I don't know. Any questions here?
Anyone has some questions? Or you can share your experience, how you use the OpenClaw. What skills do you use?
Yeah, I want to know if you have any ideas of the things or tasks that you want OpenClaw to help you with it. If you have any idea or any tasks, maybe certain tasks that you want OpenClaw to do, you can type in comment and we will try to make our own skill for your idea or your specific task. If you don't have one, I have one already. You can share your experience or what you want to do with the OpenClaw, and we can make a skill online here right now. It's not that mysterious. No one? Okay, so I have another example of here, the skill that I already for. You can see here, I want to build a skill which can translate Chinese PDF into English. It can be any language. I will take Chinese for example. Okay, can you help me? Cool idea. So if you want to build a skill, just tell OpenClaw to build a skill, or there's another way. You can see here there is a skill called Skill Creator. Skill Creator. You can install this skill to build a skill, but this skill is here. You can see it's suspicious, so you can also not use this if you are not certain. You can also just say, I want to build a skill which can do your task. For example, here, translate Chinese PDF into English. Can you help me? So cool idea. Let me ask a few questions to plan this out. So he will ask you a few questions, and he will then build the skills out, and you can also modify. Tell OpenClaw to modify or update or do something else. That is also okay. So first one, output format. Should it produce an English PDF with same layout or just extract text and translate? Preservation, do you want to keep the original or accuracy? And a few quick examples of how you used it. Let's say produce an English PDF with same layout and keep the original layout. Just use the model that you can use. So translate this PDF to English. The user should be using this prompt like this. Okay, then he created a skill. It is called a PDF translator. It includes a translate PDF, a Python file. It's a script that can translate Chinese into English. And then the skill, it can be packaged, and so it's ready to share or publish on the Cloud Hub. And how to use it? You don't have to really use this command, this bash command. You can say just install this skill, install the name of the skill, so it can be easily installed. You don't have to really use this command. But if you are interested, you can see here what it does. Several functions here, and update the trigger phase. The trigger phase, it means if you want to use this function, and you should say to him the exact trigger. It can be similar or just not just the same of this. You can say translate some PDF. Maybe it can be not accurate. It can be fuzzy. The skill is repackaged and ready. Okay. So can you show me the whole skill directory? Here you can see the skill is not so mysterious. It contains a main skill markdown file and a script, which you want to do with the script and want to do with your task, and you can use this script. You don't have to really run the script. The assistant can run it themselves. Okay, the skill and the introduction, description, something else, and Python file, a main script. You can see here, preserve original PDF layout images and something else, and want to know anything else, test it. Okay, let's test. I will send you a picture. And I sent him a PDF here. It's in Chinese, and I want him to translate it into English. And he gave me one translated, but this one is kind of, you can see here, it's a little bit confused. It can be read, right? So I told him we need some fixes on the skill. English tests and Chinese tests are mixed up and hard to recognize. Don't do a substitute. The final result will be better if there is only English in it. So if you are not satisfied with the skill that you just made, you can tell OpenClaw your advice or your suggestions. Then it can fix it itself. Like he fixed and give me a new version here. You can see it's still not satisfied. So we move on and still mixed up. Can we generate a new PDF as the final result? Has only English in it instead of modifying the old one. So it gave me another one, which is more clean, but this one doesn't have pictures. Like we see the original. Let me see the original PDF here.
How long does it take to respond to you?
Respond to what? To my prompt, or
how many minutes does it take to respond to generate this PDF?
It's very fast.
Oh, really?
Okay, let's see. Let's make another skill maybe. Let's say make another skill. It can translate maybe Korean into English, maybe. Korean PDF into. Okay, I will show here how fast the bot will react. Okay.
Wow, I thought it would take a long time.
No. Like several minutes. You can see the time here. You can see the little time stamp here. It's very fast. Like I want to build this one. Help me. And after no more than 1 minute, it responded. And this also, like, you can see the time here, 11:40, 11:42,
Wow.
2 minutes.
It's very fast.
It's very fast. Okay. So give me a clean version of the. Where is the clean version? Yeah, the clean version. You can see the original PDF here. It's not only text, but also some format or some images here. You can see it's both text and images. So if you only have text here, like the clean one, here. If you only have text, then it's also hard to read, hard to recognize, or hard to understand. So I tell him another time to keep the original format. Is it possible if we want to keep the format, pictures and emojis in the new PDF? So he gave me the final version here. So as you can see, it's still a little bit confused, but it's more readable here. You can see this is the step of how to create your own OpenClaw and why use Tencent Lightweight. It's Lighthouse Cloud Lighthouse deployment, and it's more readable. You can see the picture and the original format. So compared to the first version, you can see that the skill can be updated or fixed or do what you want him to do. Like compared to the first one, it's much better. So the next step, if we want to publish on ClawHub, which you can share with your friend, if you have another friend who wants to use this skill, if you publish on ClawHub here, and the other users can download and install your skill, your own build skill. So can you send me the compressed skill file to me? And he sent me the packaged skill file. If you go to the Claw Hub here, here you need your own account. Okay, dashboard, and then publish skill, and put the compressed file into this area, and it will automatically give you the slug, generate the slug, a display name, owner, or versions, tags, and the changelog will generate itself. It's automatically. You just need to drag your file into this area, and then press publish, and then your skill are published. You can share with your friends just the skill name. You can see here is the skill name is PDF translator. You can say to your friend that I build a skill called PDF translator or something else. You own your own skill, and they may just say to their OpenClaw download and install some name of your skill. So after this, the OpenClaw will download this skill, and they can also use the skills on their OpenClaw. So the advantage of skills are, if you want to build, if you want to do a task with many procedures, you can let's say combine all the steps or all the procedures into a skill. So the skill will automatically do A, B, C, D, and so on. So if you want to do such a thing that is maybe complicated or maybe need many steps, you can build a skill for your own. It's much convenient because if you type too much here, like let's do A, let's do B, C, D, every time the OpenClaw will have to react separately to these prompts. If you do this like a skill, it can, like, you can use only one prompt. You can use only one prompt to do such a thing. Like if we want to run some, if for example the C is to run some script, you can just put the script inside the skill. So you don't have to, like, if you don't have the skill, you have to put the script here. Like let's say some script here. You have to paste it every time you want the OpenClaw to do such a task. So it will be more convenient. It's a very useful and strong tool to like extend your AI ability, your OpenClaw's ability. Okay, anybody got any questions? You can type it in comment or Discord or something. No one? Okay.
You think Telegram is much faster than WeChat?
Use Telegram is much faster than WeChat. Okay, so you can use Telegram if you are willing to use the Telegram. Vouchers available. Very useful. Okay. So here are the voucher code. Okay, any questions? More questions?
If you want to do a live call-ins, we are welcome in our Discord session. You can raise your hand if you want to call in.
Yeah, we have a Discord channel or Discord.
You can, for audience in YouTube, you can go in our Discord channel.
Discord here. Here you can. Okay.
Okay, for those in YouTube, you can scan this QR code and join our Discord channel. We'll have live stream weekly, and we'll also share our new tutorials page in our Discord, and you can discuss with us. You can scan this Discord QR code. Okay. And thanks so much for watching. If you don't have questions, if anybody has also yes. Okay. So thanks so much for watching. I hope today's session is very helpful for you all. And thank you, Morris, again.
Okay.
So if you have any questions, we can jump in our Discord community and let's keep the conversation going. So see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye, bye-bye.